Welcome back to Blackdog Performance Cars. Today we're going to be showing you guys this 2004 Ford Mustang Mach 1 with only 968 miles. Under the hood, we have this 32 valve dual overhead cam, 305 horsepower naturally aspirated V8. As I previously mentioned, this car has 968 original miles, which also means this car has all original paint that is in flawless condition. If I had to point out one flaw on this car, it would be the headlights. You can see there's a little bit of condensation buildup, which is not uncommon for a car of this vintage. We wanted to keep the car as original as possible, which is why we haven't replaced them. This car comes equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission. Not only that, but the rest of the interior around it is in great shape. As you can see, the dashboard has no signs of peeling, cracking, or any sun damage. The seats have minimal wear and tear, and the floor mats look as good as new. Thank you for tuning in to our walk around video of this 2004 Ford Mustang Mach 1. As a quick summary, this car has 968 original miles, has a 5-speed manual, and is ready for a new owner. You can find this car at Blackdog Performance Cars in Lincolnshire, Illinois, or at blackdogcars.com.